All dear friends and coming guests, I'm Wasim, and I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. As we know it, today we have gathered here to celebrate Independence Day. And today we have gathered here to celebrate the 25th Independence Day of our country, of our nation. And I thank you again for giving me a golden opportunity to say something here. And now I am going to tell some lines. I am going to deliver a speech on 15 August 15 August. ये बात हवाओं को भी बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। ये बात हवाओं को भी बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। ये लहू देकर की है हिफाजत जिसकी शहीदों ने, कि लहू देकर की है हिफाजत जिसके शहीदों ने, वैसे तिरंगे को हमेशा दिल में बसाए रखना। Now today is the Independence Day, and this day is the most important for all Indian people, because on this day our country got freedom from the British rule. Before 15 August 1947, our country was under the British rule. And at that time, Britishers were ruling hard with our Indian people. And that time, so many Indian people labor hard for the Britishers. But result comes, don't take anything.
Disconnected.
So, in this time, we are free. Along that time, before 15 August 1947, in 1857, a first war started by some freedom fighters. But we on that time we had not unity, so we lost our freedom. And on that time, more of people lost their life for the independence of our country. And you know the Queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, she is a great freedom fighter of India. For the independence of our country, she broke the teeth of British for independence of our country. You know Bhagat Singh, he is also a great freedom fighter of India. For the independence of our country, he was hanged by the Britishers for independence of our country. And in the end, Mahatma Gandhi liberated our country on 15 August 1947. In this time, we are free from the British rule. But our brave soldiers, you know, our brave soldiers fight continuously on the border to protect our country. Just I am going to tell one thought that has been given by Subhash Chandra Bose. कि तुम दो अपना रक्त मुझे आजादी में दिलवाऊंगा, कि तुम दो अपना रक्त मुझे आजादी में दिलवाऊंगा, अब भारत माँ की आन की खातिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा। Now today we have gathered here, and on this day we have to remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighter. We got our independence with the help of many freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabh Singh, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Khudiram Bose, and many other freedom fighters fought against the British rule for freedom of our country. And now we are so lucky. Our forefather gave us an independence country where we can enjoy, where we can live happily, where we have all fundamental right to do something. Since independence, our country has developed in the field of agriculture, science, technology, and many other fields. And today, our country becomes the largest country, democracy country in the world. We have to proud feel because our country is the largest democratic country in the world. So we have to proud. We are Indians. We have to proud. Please listen carefully. If you don't want to listen my sound, please go out. Now, this time is going pandemic time. And in this pandemic time, our country facing lots of problems like terrorism, poverty, corruption, child labor, and many other problems. So what is our responsibility? It is our responsibility to lead our country ahead and make it the best country in the world. अब भी जिसका खून न खौला खून नहीं वो पानी है कि अब भी जिसका खून न खौला खून नहीं वो पानी है जो इस वतन के काम न है वो बेकार जवानी। Thanks for giving me a golden chance, and I like a lot of thanks to my dear sir and for my friends. Okay, thank you. Good night.